Hey guys, I know you didn't see me in a while, but now I'm back. It's been school hours, so I've been doing schoolwork and all. But now I'm back, so I'm out of school for a little bit.
What grade you going to, Rodney?
4th grade.
Yeet! And what are you about to do today?
Well, today I'm about to grill some food.
For who?
For my guests that's coming to my party.
You got it in.
I'ma make it burn.
Now we're gonna light the grill.
I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn.
Alright.
I'ma make it
Back good.
And kids, do not try this at home. Always be, if you're trying to do something, just always be with your parents, your mom, your dad.
I'ma make it burn.
Scissor. My lip.
I'ma make it burn. 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 Yeah, got a little bit of. Got a little bit of. I'ma make it burn. Got a little bit of. Got a little bit of.
Alright. We're about to take the hot dogs and the cola sausages off. And our burgers off. We got our turkey ribs. About to get ready to drop the chicken and the beef.
Set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get
Voila. Here's Rodney's chicken. His ribs. We're about to take it off. I have to teach Rodney the old school way to be able to throw these things up on there without the tongues. There you go. Y'all, Rodney food look good, y'all. I tasted a piece, almost slapped the man his mom, which is me.
Guys, do not try this at home without a parent.
I have to get the corn though. Alright, here go the chicken Rodney made, y'all. What does it look like? What is it looking like, y'all? What is it looking like? Take that one. Yeah, we did it. Now we just gotta make some baked beans, y'all.